Trade-off decision making is of all time. In most organizations, we simply have too many ideas that we have capacity to execute. We cannot do it all, and at least we cannot do it all at once. So making trade-offs between what we need now and what we need later is always being done. Or between money and quality, between customer and employee. And that's the trick. I mean, that's what you do in portfolio management. That's where you make a kind of a formula, or you make the trade-off decisions, and you create a balanced portfolio in which you serve all your goals, not all at once, but in the order that's suitable for your organization. But it's hard, and it doesn't take it all away. Making the decisions, what we do now and do later, is something of all time. However, what we try to do in portfolio management, to make it at the just right time, not too late, not too early, but in such a way that the teams that actually will carry out the work and that will execute don't have to make the trade-offs. They don't have to choose. For them, it's clear. So on the tactical and the strategic level, we make the balancing act between what we do now, what we need later. That's where we make the trade-offs, so the teams can simply execute on the goals that are actual now. But this is of all time, and it will never ever become easy.